How to sign out Litmatch account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out Litmatch account. Litmatch is a social networking application where users can make new friends, engage in deep conversations, and share experience with others. Here's how you can sign out of your Litmatch account. For that, first of all, you need to open your Litmatch application on your mobile device. And here make sure you are already logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the right bottom, you will find your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon and now you will reach to your profile page. In your profile page, at the top right, you will find the settings icon. Go ahead and tap on settings, and once you reach to the settings page, you will find various options here. You need to scroll all the way down in this page, and at the very bottom, you will be able to see sign out option. Now you just need to tap on this sign out, and then a dialog box will appear asking you to confirm. Tap on confirm to proceed further. And once you have done that, wait for a while and then you can see you have successfully logged out from your account. Now whenever in the future if you want to log in back, you can tap on direct login and choose your account in order to log in to your Litmatch account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.